Chichi. Thank you for being so kind, and I hope you're safe always. And have a wonderful day.
Diba? Ito, katulad na magbasa, nakapangan ako, pag-assignment, nakitagan di ko naman patos, mga ito ko na yung dumani mo, ilang garay ko mo, ya, kuhan mo mitikinan, mga ito na happy birthday, and thank you.
Go! Happy birthday, Mommy Chi! Happy birthday, Mommy Chi! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy Chi! Happy birthday, Mommy Chi! Amping permi, Mommy Chi! I love you! I love you! Go, go, go. Go. And happy birthday, Mommy Che. Say, more.
Nung ko inday katong pagbati ni mama mo nga kanang dito ko sa kuan midwife punya pag ato na ko kay gipirahan man sa doktor ang gipirahan man ang midwife muna nga kanang pag abot na ako dito kay gidaan naman ka dito sa hospital pati na ko gula na pag abot ni pag ngadto dayon ko sa hospital pag abot na ko isugatay ko sa kanang lulo nga si Inday nanganak na babae hila ko kuday kay ikaw lang ko sayo mo na lima kung na sila kabuok una pa ka ay ikaupat ikalima pa ka una ka mo babae na nalipay kay kuday happy birthday kay Inday. I love you. I love you, Inday. Pinanggabi ka na ako.
Happy birthday, Tita Chichi. I hope you have a wonderful birthday and stay safe always.
Happy birthday, Tita Chichi. Stay beautiful always. I love you.
Memorable moments, siguro pagkagamay wala pa lang kakaibaw nga usahay kami magbantay nimo nya imong gikaon ang imong hugaw tai o siguro kuan na bright ka unya pag siguro elementary or high school days kay permit ka magpatabang og pa-drawing kay di ka kaibaw mo drawing nana unya pagka dako na pod katong nagtrabaho na ka sa Jollibee atong kwaon ka namo sa ni white tin niya kay malibrehan mi usahay og sa pagkaon sa Jollibee ana. Ang bad moments kay katong isungog ka namo katong naiuk-ok naglupad-lupad kato sukad ato dili na pag humagsungog dili na ka managad ng luod na kay gisungog na ok. Happy birthday day. Amping dia permi nya ka-survive naman ka kay 1 year na lang okay na nang kamingaw madada na gamay na lang usa ka tuig na lang antos na lang gamay nya always lang gyud kuan good health lang gyud stay healthy lang gyud nya enjoy lang diha. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Chichi. Wishing you lots of love, happiness, and good health always. And yes, see you soon.
Day, kumbawa, gabi ko nagbuhat og video. First of all, happy birthday day. All the best in life to come sa imo day. Nya salamat kay sa tanan nga gibuhat nimo diri sa kuaday sa atong family. Thank you kayo. Nya
kay numdum ko dahil nga katong naghatag ka ni Satoru Gojo. May pinakanindot nga nitabo. Kay ni-collect na ko og daghan kayo nga mga figurine anime kung hilig kayo. Thank you kay Day nya sa katupong mga sa una nga tanang outing first time dito na ako nga nasinati si Kihor Kamutis. Thank you kayo sa katong tanan Day. Malipayon kay ko nga igsonti ka. Hope ko nga stay healthy yapon ka. Thank you kayo Day. Love you. Hi Chai, happy birthday. Amping kanong nailiga sa imo panglawas, imong trabaho, ang paper may Chai. Saling lang sa gitasan, ang imong pangandon, makabuhat na ano, sa imong pamilya. Sayang happy birthday. Salamat kami sa musik niyo. Ang tingin pray.
Birthday, Mommy Chi, because our world is here in Japan. Because I miss you in Japan. Love you very much because we forgot to go to Japan. We all love you and we just always love you, I miss you, bye, Mante. Love you very much.
Namdum ko ba pagpanganak nako nimo kay kanang gaya ni gawas oy dili jud madaog kanang mananabang kanang mga igsoon nimo kay mananabang tiras balay sus adto jud kag hospital mo di ay kay sus pagawas babay di ay lipaya jud si papa nang lukso-lukso gud. Si mama lipay kasi na nasa mga silingan na makpak marjun nakadaog lipstick. Lipay kaayo kay babae na jud siya. Ay ako, may biya kay mo rap. May biya kay mo katag bumo, super bass. Right biya kayo akong anak. Thank you kayo. I love you. Unya kanang happy birthday. Amping din ha. Guminga biya mi tanan nimo. Salamat kayo sa imuhang tabang. Salamat kayo amping gidin handay. Bisan usahay tapulan sa trabaho sa gamay-gamay pa. Kay bugtong lagi anak babay. Pero karon ko gihan naman manarbaho niya. Kibaw na sad siya mang loto. Katilaw gay ko sa imong cookies lami kayo. May na kay kang mang loto. Kibaw na jud kag unsang mother nga lihokon. Iba na jud katanan nakaton jud salamat kayo katusang sa Jollibee ka o. Medyo kung anong tawgon dadaan ko nimo og kanang pagkaon, burger. Ano kaayo imo pa kong groceryhan dito ko lang angging. Daghan kay kag mga friends imo kong pila-ila. Thank you kaayo. Very proud kay ko. Thank you. I love you.
Konnichiwa. Gain ka desu ka? Remember ka niya, ate, first airplane na to, wala tay tulog ani. Diretso na hantod sa Baguio. Nya 8 to 9 hours ang biyahe. Why aircon ang mall og ang taxi diri kay perting Tugnawa. Then gihangak tag saka diri dapita. Taas kay dagan kay steps.
And then picture ta there is Mines View Park sa Baguio. Yeah, nice kay view there. Then katong ero nga cute kaayo. Naibayad ang pa-picture na niya. Yeah, kitan ning uncle. And then katong mga traditional nila nga mga sulobon, naka-experience yun na. Katuning sa Diplomat Hotel, guess what, takaso diri kay close na sila. Then first ever try nga strawberry na to. Okay raman, lami ra pod. Then nangaon ta sa mall sa Baguio. Mahalo ni siya nga restaurant. Jerry's Grill man ata ni or Max. Then first ever train na to. MRT, LRT. Kay padong tag Quiapo kani nakato na tag Quiapo, and then lawas na tag Luneta. Di ta ka mura kag mo to Manila kung wa ka ka Luneta. Mao to balik na ta Cebu. Happy birthday. I love you. We miss you. Amping kadara permi.
Happy birthday. How are you doing today? Anyways, if I can share just one memorable moments with you, it would be like, kato kaning, ano ta? Itong nato sa car. Yeah, kato nato sa car, and then, we usually hang out and memorize songs and I believe that song is gonna so ito katukan J-Lo na song ako yung nai-sense mo katong kanina kanta so ito nakanta ulit the song katagaling all my pride is so I have pride is what you have let it go kanina song maka-remember ko na together with you na memorize tayo ang song na to. So when I first rap the song, and then susunod ito mga Nicki Minaj and all. So I guess that's one of my best memories together with you na I can remember during our childhood days. And up until now, the song is like our anchor to our relationship. And I just want to say thank you for all the things that you've done to our family. You've such been a blessing to us. Continue to be a good person, a good sister, a good mother to Arya, and good siblings to us. Anyways, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and the rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Mommy, I remember you. You were the best mommy in my life. You teach me everything in your heart. And I love you so much, Mommy. I love you, Ma.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. So anyways, happy birthday. This is your 34th birthday. Imagine, Mama. Nagkita ta, 19 years old pa ka. Karon 34 na ka, 33 na ko. So, it's been a journey. Also, happy anniversary to us. Right? So, 14 years na tayo mag-April 1. It's been a long way for both of us. Memorable 14 years. I'm looking forward growing old with you. Anyways, I hope you enjoy your birthday. Ay na magdungan matagkaon. So, gusto kong tangang malipayan ka sa mga kadlaon. You can take your spaghetti and cake and fried chicken. Right? So anyways, I always remember sa take-homes we celebrated like how simple our celebrations were, but it was so memorable because that's only the three of us. Aya, cute pa kayo si Aya, di pa na pareho na siya room na demanding na kaayo isog plada gamay. But yeah, Aya, you, me, I've enjoyed those moments. We have gone through a lot. Before, you only dreamed to have a motorcycle and to travel Japan, and you actually did it. I'm so proud of you. I'm the proudest there is because I know that those are your dreams, and you're able to make it. I just do. I just want you to remember always, Mama, my dream in my life, my dreams for myself is to see you as the happiest woman there is. I just hope na you enjoy your days, you enjoy your life, you enjoy your stay in Japan. I know you're sad. I can feel it. I know it. Because I'm sad too. Nagiyota. Um, but I want you to be happy as well. Okay? It, I miss you so much. I miss you. She's always asking me like, kano sa man dyan mabalik? I'm just gonna wait. We're gonna wait for you. Everybody loves you. Your family, anong Wilma silang balit. Sa Papa Nemo, silang Lola, Boarding. They all love you. Your brothers, sisters, right? Your in-laws, they love you. I love you so much. I hope, I pray that you'll be healthy, enjoy your life. God gave us our time here. We know we have to face problems, and it is true, but we also have to not forget that every day that we breathe is a blessing. So I want you to enjoy your life. Okay? So just enjoy it, and once you come back with us, then let's enjoy it together again. Like, as always. Right? And Aya and your dad is just gonna wait. We're gonna wait for you. We're gonna welcome you back with the best hug there is. Happy birthday, mommy, and I love you so much. See you soon.